Hey there, we've recently heard about an issue about non-uniformly scaled player sprites being set to scale 1 and distorting their image. This is due to our flip code setting the player's scale to either 1 or -1, depending on the direction they're facing. What we want to do is maintain our player sprite scale to its current setting, thus making it an easier process of changing the player without changing the code. We'll do this by removing the 1s in our flip method's code, then we'll replace them with mathf absolute transform local scale.x to fix the issue. The absolute function will always take the x value of our player's scale as a positive value, regardless if it is negative, thus allowing us to use it as a proper value replacement for our flip method. Although, in part 6, we will change this code to one that controls the Euler angles of the player instead of swapping the player's scale from positive to negative. The code will replace the transform local scale lines with the transform Euler angle, setting the vector 2 to 0, 180, and 0, 0. This change is made in preparation for our advanced camera update in part 6.